The so-called Jillian Michaels coffee trick that's been making the rounds online is largely a case of misinformation and marketing exaggeration, often used by third-party sites and influencers to sell the idea of a quick and effortless weight loss solution. In truth, there is no magical or secret coffee recipe that Jillian Michaels herself promotes as a standalone method for fat loss. What she actually does is far more grounded in reality. She drinks a cup of organic cold brew coffee in the morning as part of a larger health routine that includes intermittent fasting, clean eating, hydration, regular exercise, and sleep management. She has spoken openly about using coffee strategically to boost energy, suppress appetite during fasting hours, and support mental focus, but she has never claimed that coffee alone is the key to losing weight. Unfortunately, the coffee trick concept has been twisted and repackaged by various online sources to suggest that simply drinking coffee, sometimes with added ingredients like lemon, cinnamon, or apple cider vinegar, can melt away belly fat or dramatically transform your body with little to no effort. These exaggerated claims are not backed by science and do not reflect Jillian Michaels' actual views or recommendations. They play on people's desire for an easy fix and often lead to disappointment or, worse, the purchase of unnecessary or ineffective products. Michaels consistently emphasizes that sustainable health and weight loss come from long-term habits, balanced nutrition, consistent movement, proper sleep, and realistic calorie control, not from shortcuts or miracle drinks. So while her use of coffee is legit in the context of a disciplined and intentional lifestyle, any claim that she promotes a magical coffee trick for weight loss is misleading at best and scam-like in how it's presented to consumers seeking fast results without meaningful lifestyle changes. Jillian Michaels' coffee trick is mostly legit in concept, but often presented as a scam by third parties. Legit, Jillian Michaels does drink black organic cold brew coffee as part of her morning routine. She uses it to support her intermittent fasting, boost energy, and help with focus and appetite control. She promotes it as one small part of a larger, disciplined lifestyle that includes clean eating, exercise, hydration, and sleep. There's science behind coffee aiding metabolism and appetite regulation when used in moderation. Scam or misleading many websites, TikToks, and ads falsely market this coffee trick as a standalone, magical fat-burning formula. Some even push shady supplements or ask people to add weird ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, or powders, claiming it will melt belly fat overnight. Jillian Michaels has never endorsed this. These claims distort her message and mislead people into thinking a simple drink will replace the need for real effort.